In the other video, I showed you how to disable product reviews across all products in the WooCommerce store. Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable product reviews on individual products only, giving you more control over which items allow customer feedback. And as an example, let's take a look at this product, coffee table. As you can notice, it features the star ratings under the product title and the separate review section at the bottom right here. So to disable the product reviews just for this product, the steps are as follows. First, we'll log into WordPress dashboard. Then on the left side of the screen, hover on products. Then click on all products. Now locate the product in question. In my case, it's coffee table. It's right over here. And then click on edit. Once the page loads, scroll a bit down till you find the product data section, and then click on advanced. Right in here, look for this option, enable reviews, make sure it's unchecked, and then update the changes. Once the product was updated, go back to the product page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can notice, the product reviews section is no longer visible and the existing reviews are also hidden. But if I scroll a bit up, the star ratings are still visible on the product title. So to remove the star ratings completely, we need to manually delete all the reviews that were submitted for this product. For that, let's go back to the product editor, scroll all the way to the bottom, look for the reviews section, and just simply delete every single review. Let's highlight the first one, click trash. Let's repeat the same process for the other review. Once reviews were deleted, go back to the product page, try refreshing once again. And as you can see, the star ratings are no longer visible under the product title. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.